आज कावन्सिल मिटींग आशिल्ली. पयलो पॉयंट जो आशिल्लो कन्फर्मेशन ऑफ मिनिट्स. त्या मिनिट्साच्या पयल्या पॉयंटाचेर आमचे एक कलीग कावन्सिलर बाय दोरीस टेक्सरान कितें तरी प्रश्न रेज केलो. थोडे कावन्सिलरांनी ताका आक्षेप घेतला आनी तेजे आंगार धांवून लागले. तर बाकीच्या कावन्सिलरांनी म्हटलें की तुमचो जो प्रपोजल आसा डॉक्टर जॅक सिकेराचो पुतळो मांडपाचो हो आमकां मान्य आसा, आमी ताका ओपोज करना, बट ज्या पद्दतीन तुमी प्रोसिजर करतात त्या प्रोसिजराचेर रिजोल्युशनां काडून घा. तेणें तें आयकना जालें. आमी सुप्रीम कोर्टाक डिसिजन दिलें, सगळें दिलें, म्हणजे आयकना जालें. ह्या फावटी आमी वॉकआउट केलो. आमी आतां जे सीओक मेळ्ळा, आमी सीओक सांगला मेजॉरिटी कावन्सिल आमी सायन मारून एक लेटर दिला की आजचे मिटिंगेचे जे मिनिट्स जे कन्फर्मेशन जाल्लें आशिल्लें ताका आमी ओपोज करता, आमी हे कन्फर्म करनात. आनी बाकीचे कितें पॉयंट्स आसा ते बी आमी कन्फर्म करनात. सो जे कितें आमी आसा ते आमी सीओक कळयल्ल्या खंयचेच मिनिट्स आमी कन्फर्म करनात म्हणून आयच्या मिटिंगेचे. आनी आमी हे सगळे मुखार आतां आमी DMA, चीफ सेक्रेटरी, कोर्ट सगळे पर आमी सगळे पर वतले. आनी सीओन आतां आमकां भितर मान्य केला की मिनिट्स जे कितें करता आपूण बरयना, आपलें ADM सेक्शन बरयना म्हणून.
What do you say that the minutes have not been recorded correctly?
It is, see, when the meeting is going on, they talk so much and so many people talk that they are not even aware of what is being discussed in the meeting. My minutes were proper and I will not lie. Everything was discussed. Now the whole thing as far as that Supreme Court what they are saying, we have taken a decision for the statute. Now the nitty-gritties the chief officer has to decide and he has to find out the nitty-gritties. Whether there is a Supreme Court ruling or something, that is not as far as the council's job.
Attendance was signed by almost everyone, I think, except one or two councillors. Okay. So subsequently we referred to the Municipality Act, which stated about 1/3.
1/3 of the total
1/3 of the
minutes.
strength.
How much it comes to 1/3?
So you take it 25 means you, even if you say 9, even if you say 9 or 8. Okay. So I think that head count was surely there.
So 1/3 of the total members.
That's what I just referred to the Municipality Act. It is over there also.
What confirmation will be taken in this meeting? This minutes stands.
So let us see what is the legal position. Should be fair enough. The records which are available in the office, as well as what went on the record, everything is there on the information space.
What are the resolutions?
I think there were many. Okay, but one of the thing was as regard to the Gandhi market was concerned. The point which I was insisting upon, stating that there may have been some left out SOPO vendors who might not have the electricity connection. All my surrounding, what is that? SOPO vendors do have the electricity connection. There would be certainly kind of a heartburning.
Video recording the first start.
Video recording तर म्हाका दिसता it is a authentic, official. म्हणजे आमी even maybe outsource. पूण म्हाका दिसता I would propose to the council that yes, we should go ahead.